I'm Pieter, founder of Manometric. Manometric makes 3D printed orthotics and prosthetics. Just a few weeks ago, a guy came into our offices. He brought his guitar because for the first time in 3 years, he could play the guitar again. It was because of this, his own customized 3D printed hand orthotic. So I think UNIIQ has this very special position in the Dutch fundraising landscape because they invest very early and they have quite seasoned professionals. And they are very aware of what you need to do to land that first real seed investment. The challenging part back then was that we had limited options. We needed to make sure that all of these limited options wanted to invest, so we had like a competitive fundraise. And UNIIQ helped us with that. And luckily we had a lot of interest. I think your job as a founder, probably, especially in the early stages, is how to create so much fear of missing out and reduce the risk so much that investors at some point start coming to you.